I started out in an apprenticeship. I turned out, I became a foreman with Rosen Electric, and shortly after I became a general foreman.
I've been an electrician for about 7 years. I've been in the union for about 4 months.
I've been an electrician for about 15 years.
So the reason why I came over from BERG Electric here to the union was for the great benefits, for the pension. I wanted to find myself grounded in a place, and I know this place has all the work.
I worked at BERG Electric. I always had to remind HR, I'm due for a raise. It's been a year.
I organized into IBEW Local 11 about a year and a half ago.
Non-union companies I had worked for was GOULD Electric, RDM Electric, and Mel Smith Electric.
I was at BERG. They started changing our medical to a high deductible plan. You know, I have a family. I got 3 kids, a wife.
I love my health benefits. I had a baby recently. I paid nothing out of pocket. Like, my insurance covered everything.
The hardest thing was not being at home all the time. Working non-union, I was out of town a lot compared to getting to go home every day to see my kids, see my wife. You know, working for the union, it's a blessing.
I would say the 3 reasons that it's beneficial to work for the union is you have steady work, steady pay, and good benefits.
I have my own house now, which I didn't have when I was working non-union.
Whether it be BERG or Helix or SUNWEST, we're really trying to let you guys know that a lot of things that you hear on the non-union side is not always what it is.
I was organized in from the non-union. The union gave me guidance. You know, it gave me a career that I could wake up and be proud of.
The main thing was the health benefits and pension. I started really thinking about retirement, but that was the main reason I wanted to come back.
So I was actually negotiating my rate prior to coming here, and they didn't want to give me what I wanted or what I believe I was worth. When they didn't want to do that, the deciding factor was to leave.
I was able to buy a home. I put my wife through a nursing program, medical procedures with 0 cost. It's actually a success story for myself.
To anybody that's planning on coming to the union, I strongly encourage it, because if you want to work on incredible projects like this one, you can only do that if you're part of the union.
I've been with Local 11 since 1981, going on 39 years.
So I've done major projects. I've done Cedars-Sinai, Kaiser Hospitals, Nordstrom, 40-story high-rises in Century City, downtown LA. Very proud of all the work that I've completed in the last 35 years.
Some of the highlights of my career would be, of course, this job, Delta Airlines project. We got up to over 400 wiremen on that job. We did the Forum across the street. We did the first powerhouse for Morro Meadows in Sun Valley. We've done multiple hospitals and schools. It's just been a great career and very rewarding, all the jobs I've been able to do.
There's a lot of pride that comes with it because there's only one International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers.
I definitely have a sense of pride being in the local.
For those that are not union members, they should try it, give it a chance, give it an opportunity.
We bring you in, we sign you up, we send you out. We have over 500 signatory companies with this local union. We're really looking for men and women that want to join the brotherhood and the sisterhood at Local 11. Local 11 sets prevailing wage. We have a collective bargaining agreement where we bargain with the contractors on what kind of tools we bring, the amount of pay, the work conditions, overtime. We have everything here that you could ever want.
Don't wait for the line to get longer.
This is a brotherhood.
This is the brotherhood.
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 Join the union, join Local 11, and get it right.